welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. This is video 2 of the short and sweet, quick video reviews of some beautiful wigs from the Little Wig Museum. This one right here is called Manhattan 24 inches. This is yet another beautiful, very, very long, luscious wig, and I love this wig. It is so beautiful. This is like just gorgeous. And take a look at that lace front. You have this beautiful lace front, looks amazing, and then you have this middle part. I will show you a closer look at that underside in just a few. Now, like I mentioned, this is 24 inches, but you do have layering. You have these beautiful cascading curls and this luscious, long blonde color. Let me do a full turnaround so you can see her from all angles. Isn't she so pretty? I love this style. I love this color, and I love this lace front. Another thing I noticed about this style is you have these little baby hairs that have been, you know, pre-trimmed. So that gives a more realistic appearance with those little trimmed baby hairs, and I'm just really loving that lace front. I'll just give you a close-up again because it looks really good. Okay, let's take this off and show you guys the underside. So you have that individually hand-tied lace front. This is what they call a T-part wig because you have that lace front that transitions into that middle part. You have some closed wefting on either side of that T-part, and the rest of this cap is also closed wefting. This does have some combs, 1, 2, 3 combs to help slide into your wig cap, your wig liner, whatever you use to ensure that your wig stays in place and your hair is wrapped up nicely. And then you do have some adjusters at the nape. Take a look at this beautiful color. I would say that this blonde is a creamy, very, very light blonde. It does have a creamy appearance to it, and it is very pretty. It does have variation if you do look at the strands up close, so it's not just one solid creamy blonde. I think that having a little bit of variation does create a more realistic look, but it is, you know, one color. You don't have rooting either. You have that blonde right up into the roots. Having that color all the way up into the rooting does make that lace front look more realistic because, as most of you guys know, the lighter the color, the lighter the knots. Anyway, so there you have it, the inside and the out. Let's put this back on. I wear average in the majority of wig brands. This wig fits me really well. I would say if you wear average, you can get away with wearing this style. If you wear above average, you might be able to, you know, adjust the straps and wear it as well. So if you wear, you know, petite, it might be a little loose, but you can tighten and loosen it at the nape, and that could help you get away with wearing this style. But all in all, I would say this is for average. Now, what do you guys think about this beautiful wig, the Manhattan 24 inch from the Little Wig Museum? You can find the Little Wig Museum on Etsy. I will have all those links down below so you can find this here wig and all of her other beautiful options. She has a range of prices and options, and they are these gorgeous synthetic fashion wigs. Okay, you guys, thanks again for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. Give me your thoughts, comments below, and I will see you later. Bye.